used to have a very busy schedule and always out and about and keeping my diary very busy.
It was about 2 years ago that I went through a bunch of life changes and I became more like a nomad living in London.
There's just something, that word coach was just swimming around inside of me for quite some time, and I knew that I was feeling called towards it.
I was in denial for a while about being a life coach. I just wanted to know the tricks of coaching to use in my own life. Less than a year after I qualified, I realized that it would really help others to use what I've learned.
And I met Francesca. She was studying through mindful talent and I became her case study. And the process for me of going through that coaching framework was so powerful, I decided to go through mindful talent myself.
Everything that I've done in life is able to be channeled through the framework that I've been given by this academy.
Has created such a great tribe of like-minded people. In fact, we call ourselves a family almost.
There's a really beautiful vibe about the whole academy and everybody that's involved with the academy.
So Francesca's she's been a real inspiration because there were so many synchronicities between our lives. So it's been a really special friendship, but also inspiring from a business perspective too. It's really good to be here. Like yoga practices, mindfulness, meditation, breath work, just learning more of those tools and practicing them in this beautiful environment.
Coming here to the festival was a great opportunity to also just hug these people that I normally connect with online.
Us coming together in person, we're sharing space, and so there's a lot more fluency in our communication.
There's such an instant connection. The depth of conversations is incredible. That just feeds your soul in itself.
It feels like you've known each other for a long time already.